Hey, hey! Hang on a sec. That's part of your trick, right?
No. That's not my trick, Michael. It's my illusion.
Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's video, we've come to the Foundry in St. Louis, Missouri. There is a new attraction here that has opened up just this weekend, the recording of this video, called the Museum of Illusions. And so we've just come and we're gonna go check it out. The Museum of Illusions. This is an example of a Mueller-Lyer illusion. But it looks like these two lines, one line is larger than the other. However, they are not. Both lines are an equal measurement. And it's just kind of cool to check out how your brain plays tricks on you. Several photo ops here in the museum. This was one of the few that I actually partook in. Now this is a color room. The images on the wall, different ones, you can see them better in different colors of light, and you can see in other colors. And this is what they call the infinity room. It was a room you went into and you were surrounded by mirrors on all 6 sides. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.
Wait a minute. What happened? Where'd I go?
Is this all an illusion?